Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting the exact color OS package for your Oppo A31 and placing it where recovery can find it. This matters because a wrong file will fail. Once done, use an original USB cable or a micro SD with the update at the root so recovery reads it immediately. Now power off the phone, then press volume down and power together to enter recovery. This key combo forces the bootloader into recovery mode so you can run the repair. You now navigate the recovery menu, pick Install from Storage or Local Upgrade so the system can locate that package you copied earlier, because recovery will only flash from approved locations. Next, select the Update ZIP and confirm any signature checks. This prevents corrupted files from installing. Start the installation and watch verification messages. Staying connected and patient prevents incomplete flashes. Once flashing finishes, recovery typically shows success and prompts for a reboot. That indicates the new recovery image. You finish by rebooting the system. Expect the first boot to take longer because the OS optimizes apps and rebuilds caches. If the phone enters a boot loop, go back into recovery and perform a factory reset or reflash the same package carefully. This clears mismatched data that causes loops. If issues persist, make sure the firmware checksum matches the download and consider trying the vendor-approved alternate ROM or visiting a service center. That second step helps when images or partitions are damaged beyond simple repair.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.